You were taught to be tough. You never talked about feelings. You're strong, yet emotionally tired. That quiet exhaustion is real. It comes from childhood silence. Emotions were often dismissed. Affection came through doing, not saying. You learned to handle things alone. Vulnerability felt unsafe or unnecessary. Suppression was praised as strength. It wasn't harmless, it hurt. Independence formed early out of need. Adults were often emotionally unavailable. Responsibility became your identity, not a choice. Productivity equaled worth for you. Conflict avoidance kept the peace, but it also built distance. Love showed up as provision. Words of affection were rare. Needs were minimized, then internalized. You learned to ignore hunger for connection. Nostalgia became an emotional refuge. A simpler past felt safer. But nostalgia can mask grief. Trusting emotional openness is difficult. You maybe fear being labeled weak. Resilience hides unresolved fatigue. You're practiced at carrying burdens, yet the fatigue accumulates quietly. Emotion naming starts the healing. Putting words to feelings matters. Small disclosures build new trust. Therapy teaches how to name emotions. Rituals of connection reshape safety. Boundary setting teaches healthy independence. Repairing attachment takes patient practice. Self-compassion undoes harsh self-judgment. Practicing curiosity softens shame. Relearning emotional language takes time. Start with tiny experiments in openness. Share a small truth. Receive response. Notice safety. Repeat the practice. Growth is gradual, not overnight. Imagine naming one feeling aloud. Imagine offering that feeling to someone. You can practice safe disclosure slowly. A trusted listener can change patterns. Replace need with ask sentences. Build rituals that signal safety. Small, consistent risks create trust. Celebrate attempts, not immediate perfection. Your strength includes asking for help. Healing lets your resilience breathe freely. If this resonated, pause and reflect. Try naming one feeling right now. Share this with someone who understands. Subscribe for more practical psychology. Your comments can be your first small emotional step. There's power in slow, steady change. You're not alone. You're seen.